always help to get, you know, really in the spot of your creative. It's always helped to go to other artists. If I go to a museum or a gallery, my body becomes warm, really warm. It's, you know, if I get the gift from other artists, they always energize me again. Today I give my workshop for my new book, Unlock Your Potential. And I go to tell the audience how can you do that in 12 steps and then come closer by the way to success. I am so experienced from the last 25 years about tips and tricks what I learn how you can unlock your potential. So I thought I have to write a book about it. My goal in life is to inspire women with my lingerie, because I think if you wear my lingerie you feel so good and so empowered and strong. That is such a great start of the day. I did this workshop in a lot of countries. I remember I started in New York and then I did so many countries. I closed my tour in Russia, and I'm so honored that I can do it here. It's lovely that I can inspire also the Russian girls. The response on the workshops were really, you write this for me. I need this. So then because it's a little small booklet, it's really your diary. It's your secret, it's your story, and that's why the size is small. The Russian women are they opening immediately. They ask questions and at the end they hug me and they say they love me. And they were they appreciate so much my work. Show the bras to me what they are wearing. The Russian women are already there, so they're very feminine, but they also have that strong character. The women are strong and self-confident. Here in Russia we have Estelle Adani, and that is a dream come true. I think that's our best partners all over the world. They are so professional. How you have to do shows or workshops, it's a kind of professionality you don't see often. You know, when you travel so much in so much country, it's a lot of time jumping in, hotel, you know, do your thing and get out. And I said, I really want to see more from Russia and Moscow. And so I was going to Kremlin and to Bolshoi Theater. In Bolshoi, I see Carmen. It was lovely to see that beautiful building. And the Kremlin, it was so open and so friendly. Now I know a lot about the Russian history. I'm sure it gives me inspiration for the future. I also want to go to St. Petersburg because they told me it looks a little bit to Europe. So I'm very curious if it looks to Paris or Amsterdam, or I will tell you. Today I'm in St. Petersburg. I go to do my workshop over here and I go to meet a lot of lovely ladies, and the location is amazing. Yesterday I visited the Hermitage and it was really mind-blowing. So incredible, beautiful. Sure, I go to do something with it. Yes, I can see that the inspiration is coming from Europe and a little bit from Amsterdam. You know, our canals are much smaller, so Russia is always doing everything in big things. But also Paris, I see also some similarities with Paris. This was really a very special workshop. They ask very personal questions. They want to dance with me. They want to know my food. That is what I like. At the end of the evening, I sign a lot of books and all the women were waiting, so nice. And we make beautiful pictures together. A lovely evening. It was an amazing tour. You know, I've seen so much culture, a lot of fans who love my work. And today it's the last day. And I start in New York and I finish here in this beautiful city. I feel so blessed that I can do it here. Yeah, it's amazing.
Super, thank you.
Yes?
That's all, enough. Yeah.
Okay, you're happy?